Coolest car gadgets that are worth seeing. Hello guys, welcome back to Fan Screens. Today we are going to show you some of the coolest car gadgets that are worth seeing. Let's get started. Car AD Multi-Tool 3X. This 18-to-1 multi-tool is a must for every car owner. You can use it up to jumpstart your car since 1000 amp peak current is strong enough to do that, and its built-in battery will take care of your device. But what we like best is that it's a wild card in emergencies. It can easily cut the safety belt and break the window. Any attackers and robbers will run away and they will hear a super loud alarm. A super bright flashlight and an SOS light may also come in handy with its compact design and built-in industrial magnet. You can store the multi-tool either in a cup holder, glove box, or simply put it in car doors. This thing will keep you out of trouble. Drive Reach Car Signal Booster. With the signal booster, you'll get a perfect cellular connectivity even in middle of somewhere. So there are three major components: the outside antenna that mounts on the roof, the actual booster that amplifies the signals, and the inside antenna that distributes your improved signal through the vehicle. Everything you need for installation is included in the package: the adhesive disc mounting bracket, and of course your power supply. What's cool? There's a built-in USB port to charge your phone. This thing suits any type of vehicle, whether it's a car, truck, or van. Place the booster under the seat and hide the cables. Now it's completely discreet, and yet all your passengers can enjoy a strong signal. It even works with a 5G network. Hudway Drive Head-Up Display. This head-up display provides the coolest way to keep your eyes on the road while also getting all the needed information. The display connects to your phone via Bluetooth and works with all your favorite navigation apps. And on top of that, this brings all your instant notifications and text without compromising your safety. You might even take hands-free phone calls thanks to the modern design. The gadget perfectly fits any car interior, and installation is literally a matter of seconds. There's also a couple of really neat add-ons: the side view and rear view cameras that features an ultra-wide angle, along with a rugged weatherproof body and a night vision camera that lets you see in the dark almost like a midday. Moki Door Step. Loading luggage to a vehicle's roof can be tricky. Not with this doorstep though. Just hook it over with a U-shaped door latch and step on it. The rug is anti-slip surface, provides safety and stability, and the doorstep is wide enough to stand with both feet. Aircraft-grade aluminum makes this thing lightweight yet very strong, and don't worry about damaging your car. Coated hook and rubber bumper prevents scratches and marks. The doorstep is compatible with all cars, and it's small enough to fit a center console. You can always have it nearby in case you need to load some stuff. Launch Scan Tool. Scanning your car for any trouble is now easier than ever. This handy scan tool stands out with a 5-inch touchscreen and intuitive menu. Here you can choose between 4 different system diagnosis services and share the results immediately with the mechanics via Bluetooth or email, or simply have a screenshot. It features from 8 to 16 gigabytes of onboard storage. This thing automatically identifies your car info and runs a quick scanning program. You can check your battery voltage and read all sorts of trouble codes. Also, there are 5 free reset programs along with the optional paid ones. The scanners support a variety of protocols. That's why it's fully compatible with almost 100 car brands, and the battery won't disappoint you. Keto. Turn your smartphone into a car key. Car keys are clearly outdated, and this is the future. This little gadget combined with a mobile app turns your smartphone into the ultimate car key. Your car will start only when the phone is detected nearby. Although you can easily share the car keys with friends and loved ones and set a time limit so they know when to come back. If anything goes wrong, you might retrieve the key manually. Aside from that, the app lets you easily unlock your doors and trunk. Best of all, this thing doesn't require long installation. It simply plugs in via regular USB. UV Light Sanitizer. This UV light sanitizer comes in handy both at home and while driving. With its compact and clean design, it can be mounted either on top of the dashboard or on the armrest. The silicone non-slip pad makes sure that the gadget will stay firmly in place. Most importantly, this thing features 8 UVC LEDs that sanitize your phone from all sides. All the germs and bacteria are eliminated in just 5 minutes. You might also put other items in there, your mask, keys, or earbuds, and on top of that, this thing doubles as wireless charger. It's compatible with any QI-enabled phone, charge and cleans a perfect combo. Moki Pick Emoji Car Display. You like this LED display for your car? The dedicated mobile app acts as a remote control, delivering thousands of emojis, smiles, and fun animations. You can let everyone know there's a baby in the car or support your favorite team on game days. More than that, you're free to draw your own images and text. The display easily installs on all of your windows. Most importantly, this thing is capable with Siri and Google Assistant, which allows safe and hands-free use. And your passengers will definitely enjoy the preloaded 8-bit games. Tire Puncture Repair Kit. Here's the most reliable and easy-to-use puncture repair kit for tires. No need to remove the tire, just screw in the plugger and fix the mushroom plug. These plugs safely seal the tire from the inside, providing a long-term solution. The package includes over a dozen of them. That's more than enough, and there's a rust-proof of stainless steel nozzle that'll last for ages. So this tool is great, but the gun kit is even better. It uses the same materials yet makes the process way easier and faster. Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit. An innovative tire inflator. It uses a unique slime sealant that coats the tire from the inside, repairing any puncture up to the quarter inch. This slime repair will last over 500 miles, which should be more than enough to get a tire repair facility safely. Otherwise, this thing works like a regular inflator. Plug into the car socket, attach the hose, and start inflating with a push of a button. Thanks to the built-in digital display, you can track the tire pressure in real time. And in case you've got too much air inside, don't worry. There's a deflate button especially for that purpose.